Hi, welcome to Gon's Keyboard Works. Well, today in this video I will show you how to use advanced macro management functions in Macro tab. First of all, I think I have to tell you with this NerDy GUI you can delete a macro, save a macro as a file, and add a macro from file. And you can export all the macros from your keyboard and import a big macro file containing many macros to your keyboard. You can reassign a macro to another location. For example, if you stored your macro at K, then you can change it to L. And you can fine-tune key down delays and key up delays in a macro. And you can also change key input sequence in a macro. But you can't delete or add a key input to your existing macro. Just to make a new macro, I thought at first I thought I would include this function, but I had a conclusion that this would make this software too complicated. It would be too hard for a beginner to use this. It's not what I pursue. I pursue the simplest is the best. Okay. Now, if you click at Macro tab, you will see the screen as this. Here you can see the macros stored in your keyboard, and this record macro delay checkbox means you will include delays when you record a macro. If you don't want to macro real-time delay when you record a macro, just make it blank and press save. If you don't make a click on a save button, all the changes here will not be applied to your keyboard. Just remember, before you click save, these changes will not be applied to your keyboard. Okay, this one is a macro that I made before in the previous video. Well, here you can delete a macro or save a macro as a file. First of all, I will save this. Save as. Okay, here I will save it as sample macro. Okay. Then I will delete it. Okay, it's now deleted, but before you make a click on save, this change will not be applied to your keyboard. Okay. Now my keyboard has no such macro. Okay, it's disappeared on this list. Okay, then I will add it again. This one. Okay, you see, it's not shown in this list, but it's here, and this macro is not assigned yet. So I have to assign this. If you click on assign, you will see a small window like this. This is actually the layout that you have set as your keyboard. Okay. These graphics means they already have a macro stored in it. So you can't assign this new macro here. Okay, I will assign it Okay, here I will assign it here. Then the screen disappeared. You will see the macro assigned on the slash. Okay, as you see this. Then press save. Then the change will be applied to your keyboard. Okay, then you can adjust delays in a macro. You can choose the key inputs as the same way you do on Windows operating system. This is a key sequence for hello, but I think I don't want key delays, so I will make it all 0. Okay, now this key sequence contains no delays. Then I think I have to change the sequence. I will make it this one. Okay, to do it I have to move up E. Oh, mistake. And to lowercase h, I have to key up the R shift before E key to be pressed down. Sorry, before H to be pressed down. Okay, I think it's done. I will test it. Macro and slash. Okay, the same thing. This is almost all about this macro tab. You can I didn't give you detailed explanation for all the functions of the buttons, but you can do it yourself and you can learn it yourself, because this NerDy GUI is very simple and very intuitive. Okay, I hope you enjoy this graphic user interface for your keyboard life. Okay, see you.